सवाल का students, my name is Arwa and my channel name is Arwa and Physics. Students, I maybe some question I solved prior, sometimes some questions I solve later on, but I'll try to solve each and every question and give the solutions to you at my best. Only you have to do it for me, that is try to share the videos to your peer groups and your friends, so that it is quite motivating. If you subscribe my channel, it's quite motivating for me, and I will give you more and more questions from various competitive exams and so on. So let's come back to the question. So this is question number 3 of the sample paper CBSE, which says the angle of incidence from air to glass. Look, this is my air. I'll just give you a close view of it. This is my air, this is my glass. So angle of incidence, light is going from rare to denser medium, that is bent towards the normal, and then denser to rare medium, that is bending away from the normal. Okay, on the hemispherical glass slab, this is a hemispherical glass slab. Okay, so they wanted to know the angle of incidence from air to glass at the point O. This is air to glass at the point O. This is the point O. Don't think it is, this point is P. So many of you get confused with the P. No, they are asking about A, that is angle of incidence from air to glass at the point O. They wanted to know this angle of incidence. And these are your options. So many of you might have done this, but let's try with me also. So students, I have make a picture for you, and you know this angle is going from here. This is a 90 degree. This is making a 90 degree with your surface. So that's why angle is 0. So correct answer is angle of incidence is equals to 0. So why it's correct? Why you are maybe some of you thinking it is not 90 degree? I'll show you that. Don't worry, students. You know one thing. If you have a glass slab, suppose this is your glass slab, okay, and this is your normal. So what you used to do, you used to do a line draw like this. This is my incident ray. Incident ray makes always angle with the normal. Why normal? You always, what do you mean by this? Look, you have to put your D like this. You have to put your D like this. Place your D like this position. That is, this is a zero line of the D. Correct? Zero line of the D, and then you try to make 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 90 degree, and so on. So this is your reference line. Normal is your reference lines, and with the reference lines you are making your 30 degree, 40 degree, 60, and this is your 90 degree. This is exact your 90 degree. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you that a normal incidence angle. Now look, now if this is a case, this is your normal, and your light is also going like this. This is your, so there is no angle between normal and incident ray. So angle between normal and incident ray in this condition is 0. Angle between normal is also this, and incident ray is also this. So angle between normal and incident ray is 0. What does it imply? It implies angle, light will go as it is. Okay, so this is a different thing, but angle between normal and incident ray is 0. You can see both coincide with each other. Now this is a hemispherical bowl. Some of you might get confused with how it is making 90 degree. Maybe you are not you will not convince easily by the figure. So I'll just give you small demonstration of it. Just have a watch. Look students, this is a ball which is circular, okay, and hemisphere is, of course, it is just a half of this ball. Half of this ball is hemisphere, okay. So you have to just look at this lower part. Don't go with the upper part, because it is you just have to look half of part of it. Okay, now carefully notice, if this is my incident ray and I just put incident light like this, so what is the angle between the surface and the incident ray? Can you see? Can you see it is 90 degree? Can you see this angle is 90 degree? Can you see? Sorry, if this is my incident ray, can you see the angle is 90 degree? Okay, if you want me like this, look, this is my angle. So can you see the surface angle is 90 degree? Can you see? Look, my pen is quite tilted, my incident ray is tilted now, but still the angle with the surface, anywhere you can point, anywhere. Look, this is 90 degree, it's quite convincing for you, okay? But look, this is, if I quietly tilt my pen like this, okay, look, the angle still is 90 degree. This is normal to the surface. So hope it is convincing for you that this ray is at 90 degree. So of course, if this is the normal, this is the angle of incidence, so angle between both of them is 0. So correct option is 0 degree. Thank you so much for watching. Khuda Hafiz.